Welcome back guys to my channel. Today I will show you 3 ways on how to find Clipboard on your Android phone. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. So first, using the default Android feature, let's open a note or any text-based app. Long press in the no space and a pop-up will appear showing Paste and Clipboard. When you tap on Clipboard, it will show you all the text or images that you have copied. Let's try to type another text and copy it if it will be added in the clipboard. Long press and tap on our clipboard. So the clipboard store whatever you copy. Second, by using Gboard. For Android phones, especially the old ones, you need to install Gboard. So I already downloaded it in the Play Store. Let's tap open and enable our Gboard as our default keyboard. Now let's go back to our notes. Let's try to type some text. So tap on this button. This is the clipboard. So you can access your clipboard in here as long as you use the Gboard keyboard. Third, by using Clipper. Unlike Gboard, Clipper app is just an app where you can see all things inside your clipboard. You can copy back anything from your clipboard and use it again. So for more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching. Until next time, bye for now.